As a real estate agent, the question I am most often asked is the housing market going to crash? Hi, I'm Daniela Duta with Comstock Realty. With today's housing market, everyone is wondering what's happening with the home prices. You may remember the housing crash in 2008. And even if you did not own a house back then, you may have some reservation for a repeat scenario. Good news, as we come to the end of the year, the housing market did not crash, and that is not on the horizon for 2024. One important reason for this, there are not enough homes for sale. For a market to crash, there would have to be an oversupply of inventory. According to Bankrate, and I quote it, this ongoing lack of inventory explains why many buyers still have little choice but to bid up prices, indicating that the supply and demand equation won't allow a price crash in the near future. In fact, foreclosure filings are at an all-time low, mainly due to the forbearance program of 2020. So, as we like to say in real estate, although we do not have a crystal ball, inventory levels are not anywhere near where they need to be in order for prices to drop significantly to cause the crash. If you'd like more housing data to see what is happening in your local area, reach out to me so I can help you strategize your next move.